Okay, this is video 3 of the house. It is August 17th. Really didn't do too much because it's been hot for like the last month. The house was gutted, but this this is where we stand now. Let's see. Concrete. We tore it all down, made 2 piles. This is some of the mass concrete. But, so yeah. As soon as this heat spell settles down, we'll be ready to get back at it. Just had to take a month or 2 off. Busy at work. Just too hot with the kids. But yeah, so this is pretty big. I mean, it was come out here, the old stone foundation. Look at that. Look at those 2 there. It's gonna be. We'll get to the pond in one of the next videos. Because once this grass starts dying down, I'm gonna mow it. But so this is the burn pile. Once that's burned, drag this over and burn that. She kept the cats in there. So I tore these big slabs out. I don't make footers like this anymore. So the plan would be to dig this out and attach the addition right to the house. So I have the dumpster. And so yeah.